Assalamu alaikum, my dear pretty student. How are you? I hope you are well and safe. Alhamdulillah, I am also well and safe by the grace of Almighty Allah. In improve your gap in learning, I am taking online class. Of course, you help me. At the beginning of the class, I do something for you. I recite a rhymes. Say with me, okay? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Say again. Say with me. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Okay? Be safe at home. Okay? Welcome to my English class. Jhinuk Akhtar, assistant teacher, Chardurun Government Primary School, Kutubdia, Coxbazar. Identity of the lesson, class 4, unit 3. Today's lesson 1, 2. Lesson title, family. Learning activities, B. Student will be able to understand simple question and statements about them. Understand questions about family and friends. Ask and answer yes/no questions. Read silently with understanding paragraphs, stories, and other text. Write a short composition about oneself, friend, family, and other familiar topics. Let's see a picture. My dear student, look at the screen. Tell me, what can you see in the picture? My dear pretty student, look at the picture and think about it. Tell me what you can see in the picture. What do you mean by a family? Dear student, family बोलते तुम्ही की बुझो? At the picture, you see father, mother, sister, brother, grandfather, grandmother. Okay. This is a family. Pretty student, where father, mother, sister, brother, grandfather, grandmother live together. That's called a family. Okay. Now, today's lesson is family. Now you know some new words. Take care, patient, country, travel, fly. Look at the screen and listen. Take care mean যত্ন নেওয়া, patient mean রোগী, country mean দেশ, travel mean ভ্রমণ. Dear pretty student, listen carefully. Let's we making sentence by the word take care. I take care of my student carefully. Patient, The doctor served the patient. Country, Bangladesh is my country. Travel, I like to travel many countries. Okay, do you understand it clear? Okay, let's see some picture. That picture is a school. It is a institution at who is instituted is given in a particular discipline. That's called a school. Dear student, that's picture is good student. Are you looking? Okay. A person who is studying at a school. Student mean a person who is studying at a school or university. That's called student. Doctor, a person who is qualified to treat people who are ill. Okay. Doctor is a person who is qualified to treat people who are ill. Okay. Next picture is airlines. Airlines, Bengali meaning বিমান চলাচলের পথ. Okay. An organizations providing a regular public service of air transport. It is a place where an organization providing a regular public service of air transport. Okay, do you understand, dear lovely student? Dear lovely student, open your English book at page 6. Listen and say after me. Farjana and Jamil are from Kustia. They go to Chachua Primary School. Farjana is 9 years old. She is in class 4. Jamil is 7 years old. He is in class 2. They like school and they are good students. Dear student, Farjana এবং জামিল কুষ্টিয়া থেকে এসেছে। তারা চাচুয়া সরকারি প্রাথমিক বিদ্যালয়ে যায়। ফারজানার বয়স 9 বছর, সে 4th শ্রেণীতে পড়ে। জামিলের বয়স 7 বছর, সে 2য় শ্রেণীতে পড়ে। তারা স্কুলে যেতে পছন্দ করে এবং তারা খুব ভালো ছাত্র ছাত্রী। ওকে, Farjana and Jamil's mother is Rehana Farbin. She is 33 years old. She works at a hospital in Kustia. She is a doctor. She takes care of many patients every day. She takes care of many patients every day. She likes her job very much. Farjana এবং জামিলের মা হচ্ছে রেহানা পারভিন। তার বয়স 33 বছর। তিনি একটি হসপিটালে কাজ করেন। তিনি কুষ্টিয়ার একটি হসপিটালে কাজ করেন। তিনি একজন ডাক্তার। তিনি প্রতিদিন অসংখ্য রোগী দেখেন। তিনি তার পেশাকে অনেক পছন্দ করেন। আজিজ আহমেদ ইজ ফারজানা অ্যান্ড জামিলস ফাদার। হি ইজ এ pilot of Biman Bangladesh Airlines. He flies to other countries. He travels to India, Thailand and Sina Open. He loves to travel. He is 39 years old. Aziz Ahmed ফারজানা এবং জামিলের বাবা। তিনি একজন বাংলাদেশ বিমান ব্যবস্থাপনার একজন বিমান চালক। তিনি প্রতিদিন বিভিন্ন দেশ ভ্রমণ করেন। তিনি ইন্ডিয়া, থাইল্যান্ড, চীন প্রায় সময় এই দেশগুলোতে ভ্রমণ করেন। তিনি ভ্রমণ করতে পছন্দ করেন। তার বয়স 39 বছর। টিচার্স রিডিং, স্টুডেন্ট রিডিং, ওপেন ইউর book, page at 6. Read the text with silent. Okay. Group work for you. Person, activity, doctor, student, pilot. For example, doctor. A doctor take care of many patients. Okay. Student. A student is studying at a school or university. Pilot. A pilot who operates the flying control of an airlines. Do you understand? I'm telling again. Doctor. A doctor take care of many patients. Student. A student is studying of a university or school. Pilot. A person who operates the flying controls of an airlines. Okay. Next, pair work for you. You will match the word with picture. Dear lovely student, look at the screen. Match the word with picture. Suggest patient. That's picture. Patient. Mess. That's picture. Biman. Mess. That's picture. Good student. Mess. That's picture. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Next. Evaluation. Some question for you. Where do Farjana and Zamil live? What does Aziz Ahmed do? What does Rehana Parveen do? How old is Farjana? Dear student, look at the screen and answer the following question. Where do Farjana and Zamil live? Farjana and Zamil live in Kustia. Okay. Aziz Ahmed is a pilot of Bangladesh Biman Airlines. Okay. Rehana Parveen is a doctor. Okay. Farjana is 9 years old. Okay. Homework for you. Write 5 sentences about your family. For the next class. No more today. Goodbye for now. Everybody be safe at home. Allah Hafiz.